So I'm making a decorate with me Halloween DIY video today. And I was decorating my room anyways, and I wanted to start making videos, so I hope you like it. I got most of the stuff from Dollar Tree, so you can pick up similar things if you're interested in doing that. I also got this bookshelf at Target, so like I knew that I was gonna want to like put things inside of it and decorate it, and I have lots of stuff, and I wanted to get more stuff because it's fall, right? Yeah. So replace all the junk and put in more junk, right? No, but I have lots of stuff, but I have a place for everything, and everything is in its place, okay? Okay. We're fine. I'm fine. I have this pegboard wall that I put in my room when I first moved in, because I just moved, by the way, if you didn't know. Also, my name is Alicia, if you didn't know. I moved and I wanted this like right away when I first moved in, because I knew that I could display like decorative things, and it would be functional also, because I can put my craft things and such, which is the bookshelf's purpose as well. But it just happened to work out the way I wanted it to, which is good. And so now I've decorated it fall, and I hope you enjoy me doing that, because I enjoy doing it. And give this video a like if you like it, and subscribe, because I'm gonna try and put out more stuff. And yeah, let's get started. I started the video with me doing a little shopping, so let's watch.
So yes, here I am, getting inspiration at different stores, looking at expensive prices that I don't want to spend. Look at these cool pillows. Okay, I could totally make that bat pillow candle a little pricey. I could get that at the 99-cent store. I just like to look at this stuff to get inspired. Then I actually go to the 99-cent store and get inspired there too, and get all of the stuff that I want for cheap to make or just to decorate with. So after I buy the stuff, I gotta clean, because this is a bit disorganized and it needs to be looking fall. What's that? I don't know. Alright, keep cleaning. Oh my gosh, I have such a mess. Where am I gonna put all this? I'll figure it out. It's looking better. It's looking better. So here's my cool little before shot of what it looks like, and just like what I had going on my desk before I decided to decorate. First thing I did was clear everything off. I think it's best to have a blank slate instead of just trying to like move things around when I'm decorating. I got this scarf at Dollar Tree. You could put like spider webs or like creepy cloth on here, but I thought the scarf was cute. And right here I'm just putting out some fall candy. I had Jolly Ranchers in there previously, but I thought I'd switch it out to make it look more festive. And I'm going to put these flowers I got from Dollar Tree and the vase from Dollar Tree together here. And I like to get clear vases, because you can use it for multiple seasons, so it's not just going to be sitting around doing nothing in a closet or something. And I got that plate at the thrift store and that hat at Target, $3. And this candle from Dollar Tree. Really inexpensive stuff. I really don't like to spend a lot when I'm decorating, and these fall leaves are also from Dollar Tree, and I'm just throwing them around like as if maybe they just fell from a tree. So I got that boo sign from Target, and it actually glows in the dark, and I'm just putting a couple more leaves elsewhere. And I did print that out from Pinterest, that Happy Halloween picture, and I got the frame from the 99-cent store and the candles as well. And I printed out that sign that said the countdown to how many days to Halloween, and I just put it in a frame, and you can get like an expo marker and write each day, because it'll come off of the glass of the frame. And I got a couple more things from the 99-cent store that I just kept adding. I just didn't think it looked like enough. I was gonna stop like right here, but I felt like I needed more. Also, I used stickers instead of a marker because I didn't have an expo marker. And I have a couple more things that I got from my parents' house that I didn't realize that I was going to be able to use, but I'm just so glad that I ended up getting them because it's just filling the space more and it's making it look more spooky. And I got that flashing light from the pumpkin from the 99-cent store, and yeah, I think it's really coming together. And this cute little witch, and also these little things I'm holding are necklaces that used to light up, but they don't anymore, but I thought they were kind of cute. And I'm just putting some final touches. So that's the shelf part, but now we need to work on the pegboard part. Oh, queen of dropping things. Love that for myself. So I'm actually going with a different approach with this pegboard work because I really had no idea what I was going to do. And I'm doing exactly what I said that I was trying not to do. Is I like to start with a blank slate, but I sort of just like move things around because I didn't really know where I was going with the wall, and I didn't have everything that I wanted when I started doing it. But I actually have this, oh bless me, I have this letterboard, and I just switched out what it said before to make it seem more fall. And I got that Happy Halloween sign from the Dollar Tree, and the pictures are just printed out from Pinterest, and the witch hat is from the 99-cent store, and the other stuff is just my craft things that I already had on the wall. And then I got this little jack-o'-lantern lights from the 99-cent store, and I just hung them up, and there you go. Here's the final shot. I'll give you guys a slow pan upwards of it all. So let me know if you like it in the comments, because I think it turned out really good, and I didn't really know where I was going with it. I kind of just did it slowly over the days. So that was just one side of my room. The other side of my room I have a couch with some ugly and dirty pillows, and I thought I could solve that with DIYing some pillow covers, so I actually did that, and here's a little tutorial on how to do that. First you gotta measure your pillow, the width, mine was, I don't remember, and then the length, and then measure it out on your piece of fabric, but add 2 inches to the length and the width, and do little markings. I just marked it with my scissors because I didn't use the pen that I brought outside with me. Also, this table isn't big enough for me to cut straight across, so I sort of maneuvered it the best I could. I didn't care if it was too perfect because I'm not too perfect and nobody's too perfect, so yeah, I'm just cutting where I want to cut. I just use fabric glue because I'm not a sewer, and is that even a word, a sewer? Yes, I think so. I just folded look what I'm doing. Yes, it makes so much sense. It's very clear. I just glued the open ends together, and then the little flap part right there, you're gonna want to glue that afterwards, and then just let it dry for like however long the fabric glue says, and then just trace the shape that you'd like. I printed out a bat. I'm struggling with cutting that, so I ended up cutting these pieces of fabric into small squares so that it was easier for me. They're from like a t-shirt, and this is the fabric from the pillow, and I glued them in layers like this so they would stand out better. After your pillow's dry, just flip it inside out and then glue on your decorations. Lay them out how you want, then glue them down, and make sure they're completely dry before you start shoving a pillow in there, and then voila! I'm making this other pillow out of pipe cleaner. I'm not really sure how I feel about it, but I think it turned out kind of cute, and it's just more of a decorative pillow, but I've been laying on it since I made it anyways, even though it kind of distorts the shape a bit, but it looks really cute once you build it. So if you just look at what I'm doing, I'm just shaping out the the word and tying the pipe cleaner around to tighten it so that it doesn't fall off the pillow, and there you go. Here I am putting it on my couch. So cute. And yeah, that's about it. And I've got my little cauldron of remotes, and there you go. My room before and after. Ooh. Ah. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe if you're interested in seeing what I do next. Sorry if my voice sounded really sick, because it is. Okay, bye.